Hi guys, this is Igor. Just wanted to do this quick video and answer some of the questions I got on YouTube from you guys. I've also just noticed that I've got almost like 100 subscribers now, which is great. Not a big number, but it's a bit of a milestone. And I would really like to thank you all guys for watching my videos and finding it useful. I even got some trolls already as well, so that's probably a good sign. So people are watching my videos. And like always, put your comments below the description and I'll try to answer them as fast as I can. The other thing I was gonna do, I was wondering if I should do like a live stream video at one point. So I just have to figure out how to do it from YouTube. I've never done it on YouTube, but basically what we could do is I could organize like a live streaming for a specific date, and then if I get like at least like 5 people watching it or wanting to do that, then I'll do that. So if you could just leave a comment on against this video and just say that yes, I'm interested. So if I get like at least like 5 or 10 people who's interested in doing it, then yeah, we could do like a live streaming for like, I don't know, half an hour or something, and I'll try to answer all your questions in the chat. We could do it like next Saturday or whatever. Or I just have to figure out how to do it on YouTube. Anyway, just I was getting a lot of comments, people asking how to actually sell your Bitcoin. So because obviously I've got the video how to buy the Bitcoin, but I don't have a video how to sell it. So it's actually like very simple. Like all you need to do is just like transfer your money to one of the exchanges. So let's say you bought it on Coin3 or you bought it on Coinbase. Coinbase doesn't allow you to sell. So Coinbase, if you go to Coinbase and you register, you can actually buy Bitcoins from Australia, but you can't sell it. Probably due to some tax, because the American tax laws are different to Australian or whatever. I don't know why they don't sell it, but they don't. And the only way to sell it would be to go to BTC markets, CoinSpot, or even Coin3 allows you to do that. But Coin3 I don't find very good for selling because the price is very bad. CoinSpot is probably pretty good like for selling. So if you look at the sell price of Bitcoin to Australian dollar, it's like 3,800, which is not too bad. Like if you buy it on BTC markets for 3.8, it is much lower, but that's what it is. So I would probably recommend, if you want to do a quick sell, you would go to CoinSpot and sell it straight away. If you don't mind waiting a bit, you probably should go to BTC markets and try to trade it. Just few things about selling it. Actually, if I go back, what you will see if you've never done trading, what you do, you put an order in and try to get a good price. Don't just put a market price in, just try to get a good price. So look at all the buy orders and all the sell orders. So what you want to look for is the good entry point. So, and what I noticed with BTC markets, they probably use bots or some sort of software which is not very good. I don't like, there's always a big order for 15 Bitcoins like you can see here. And there's usually a big order on the sell side as well. And I reckon they manipulate the market. They actually make the limits quite tight. So you can't just put your orders below this because 15 Bitcoin order, and it's very consistent. It's always like 15 something Bitcoin. And then on the sell side, there's usually one as well. It doesn't seem to be there now because they probably don't know what it will go to. But basically a lot of the times, just be careful of this. They've got this hard limits. And I don't like them for that. Like that's a bit of a manipulation of the market, but that's the way it is. It's an unregulated market. So just be aware of this. So what you want to do, you want to look at all the orders and try to stick your order just above some big order, like for one or more Bitcoin. So like if I was to buy Bitcoin, I would probably, first of all, obviously I need to know what's happening with Bitcoin. If there's very positive news about Bitcoin, it will just keep going up. So I'd probably just buy it at the market price. But if there's nothing happening at the moment and the price is not actually going much up and down, then you probably want to get some good price. So I would look at all the orders, and I'd probably stick, if it was me, I would either try to buy it at 3850.01 cent, so my order would be above this guy. Or if I wanted to do it a bit better, I would probably go with like 3837, so just above this order. So I would stick my price at 3837 or 1 or something, or 836 probably. So just stick one in and just hope that it will get executed, and just be patient. It may get executed. And for selling, so this is for buying, and for if I was to sell it, I'd probably look at orders as well, and they all look fairly low. Probably stick one above this, so I would probably sell it for 388. But that also depends on how fast you want to sell it. If you don't mind waiting a lot, you could put an order like above this one, probably for about 3945 or something, whatever. So something like that. Or if you don't mind waiting few weeks, you probably could put it even higher. But anyway, this allows you to like play a bit with the price, while with CoinSpot has got trading as well, as far as I know. They do have this trading, but it's very low liquidity and it's very low volume, so it's really hard to buy and sell stuff. Although it may have improved. I haven't used it for a long time, so you could probably get a good price here as well. But that's about it. These are your really two good choices. Like the Cointree sell price is pretty bad. So yeah, all you do just like you log into the account. I don't want to log in because it's got my personal data in there, but you would just log in, get the wallet address, and just transfer your bitcoins into that wallet. Be aware there will be transfer fees, and there's also trading fees as well. I think there's 0.8% trading fee as well, so you'll get stung with the fees, but you can sell it. And when you sell it, you can then withdraw. You go to your account and withdraw, and you can withdraw funds, and it will go straight into your savings or whatever account you've got attached to this account. And it has to be in your name. So if the bank account is not in your name, it will not allow you to withdraw. So just be aware of this. And there's also a limit on how much you can withdraw. But that's it. There's not much to it. But what you have to be also aware of is that there is a tax implication, there is a ATO page talking about cryptocurrencies in Australia and what happens with it. But I think it's a bit like, apparently there's been a law that bitcoins, there's a couple of articles in there, but that bitcoins will no longer be taxed twice, meaning that when you buy it, there will be no GST applied. So it's a bit like buying like other currencies, like if you buy US dollar or like that's as far as I understand it. I don't know, maybe correct me if I'm wrong, just put a comment in. But as far as I understand, it's like buying shares almost. So until you actually sell it, you don't pay any taxes. But once you sell it, you'll then pay capital gain tax. And obviously, if you hold it for less than a year, you'll pay high taxes, and if you hold it for longer than a year, you get like 50% discount or something like that. So just be aware of all these implications. I don't sell much. I just like keep it all in Bitcoin. So all the other cryptocurrencies, I always trade back into Bitcoin and just stock up my Bitcoins. But you do what you need to do. Anyway, that's probably it for this video. Yeah, so just hit the like button, and yeah, let's do the live streaming, and I will be able to answer some of your questions. Thank you.